I may go to bookshop today
Yes.
and such a new book is available for SAT. And ACT is also there, ACT is a exam.
Yes, sir. It has physics and chemistry also. Biology. I think it's science included.
Only, okay. Okay, right. And there are some other SAT categories also there. One of my students told about subject SAT is also there. Someone told me subject SAT means, for example, in general SAT, there is no physics and chemistry. Am I right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
In subject SAT, physics is also there. Other subject, maybe some of the universities in India also giving admission based on SAT score.
Oh, yes, sir.
And did you ask about the calculus part?
Sir, we have calculus for 12th grade. We take pre-calculus, sir. And I am taking that right now.
Right. That is called pre-calculus. Yes, right.
Yeah, I am taking the pre-calculus right now, sir. The
Okay.
math dual credit, the dual credit for math is my pre-calculus.
Okay, it is choice.
No, sir, I mean, the math is divided into sections, sir. We have to say the section to our teachers, so it is so and so particular topic involved in.
Then we go deep into that calculus. Very good. And also, actually, I started with heights and distances.
Yes, sir.
Heights and distances is an important chapter in mathematics.
Yes.
We couldn't touch it. That's why I started the questions from that chapter. But I thought I need to confirm about the include that chapter. Do you know about heights and distances chapter?
So I don't know what
I
it is called.
okay.
Is it the
Yeah, I'll
is
show
it
it.
the
I
geometric things?
Yeah, it's related to trigonometry.
Okay.
I'll show the sample question.
Yes.
Anyhow, uh, one main thing is mathematics is essential to learn physics.
Yes, sir.
If you are strong in mathematics, you will understand physics easily.
Yes.
In engineering, it's completed, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is sample question for our heights and distances. The angle of elevation of the top of a flagstaff when observed from a point distance 60 meters from its foot is 30 degrees. The height of the flagstaff in meters. I could see some questions in SAT exam related this type of related to this concept.
Yes.
We'll do it. Anyhow, mathematics is a tool to understand physics, and there will be subject direct subject mathematics is there in first sem and second sem for some branches. In next second year also mathematics is there for some particular branches, not all branches. But in any branch, mathematics is there for 2 semesters, and
Yes.
especially the toughest paper is M1 in Indian engineering. In Indian engineering, the toughest paper is called M1. M1
Yes.
and mathematics 1. It is the toughest of all subjects. Okay.
Yes.
Anyhow, to understand engineering mathematics, it is very essential to have strong basics. In India, there are some categories for engineering like JEE Main and Advanced. That means highest rated engineering colleges are IITs.
Yes.
Of course, IITs has place in world also. One of the topmost rating in the world, Indian IIT. And after
Yes.
IITs, NITs, and engineering colleges, universities, DMDs like that. Same is there in states also.
I don't think so, sir.
Okay. Maybe it's depend upon their
Yes, sir.
standards.
Yes. Yes.
In India, it is called IITs. Similar there, similar concept is there.
No, no, sir. I don't think there's a similar concept like that.
Just engineering and
Yes.
universities.
Yes. Engineering, we go through our major, like our actual majors.
Okay, right. See, the first term of a sequence is the number n, and each term thereafter is 5 greater than the term before, which is the which of the following is average and arithmetic mean of the first 9 terms of the sequence. Have you got any idea how to solve this? It is related. Yeah, there are two chops. There are two chops mixed in this question.
I greater than the term.
There are two chops mixed in the question. One is sequence and series, and the other one is geometry also.
Yes.
And first of all, to understand this,
First 9, so it will be n plus 5n plus 25
yes. Very good, excellent. You are right. Go ahead.
term. Thereafter is
Yeah,
a
first
great
one. Yeah, first term is n now.
plus 5n plus 10n.
No, not 5n. N plus 5.
5 greater
And
than
each term
yes, sir.
thereafter
Yes,
is
sir.
5 greater than, not 5
Plus
times.
5. Yes, sir. N
Yeah,
plus
n
5.
plus 5.
Then n plus 10.
Very good.
Then n plus 15.
Right.
N plus 20.
N plus 20.
N plus 25.
Very good.
N plus 30.
How many times completed? 1, 2,
I
3, 4, 5, 6. Next, n plus 30.
N plus 30.
7. Plus
N plus
35.
35.
8. N plus
N
40.
plus 40.
Power.
And N plus 40. Yes, sir.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
40, no, sir. Plus 1, 9.
Average means by 9.
By 9.
Sum of the observations by number of observations, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
9n plus.
Yes, very good. 9n plus 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 20, 50, 50 plus 25, 55, 55, 30, 85, 85, 35, 120.
135. 135. 155.
160, I think.
1 second, sir.
Once,
It will be
180.
plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 plus 35 plus 40. 180, sir.
Yeah, 180 correct only. 5 plus 10, 15, 15, 15, 30, 30 plus 20, 50, 50, 25, 75, 75, 30, 105, 105, 35, 140, 140 plus 40, 180, right? By 9.
By n plus 9. Sorry, n plus 20, sir.
Yes, n plus 20 is correct answer.
Option A.
A. And we can use SN formula. For AP, SN is equal
N by 2.
Times. Yeah, do you remember it?
2a plus
N minus 1 times.
n minus 1 times d.
Yes. We need S9. 9 by
9
2. Sum of 9 terms. Yeah. 2a. 2 times of first term.
2 times plus n.
N minus 1. 8. D is 5.
9n plus 40 times 9, 360. it? 40. Oh, 9n plus.
By 2 times.
Sir, 9n, no, sir. If we multiply it.
9n multiplying. Right. Okay.
Yes. 9n
By 2.
plus.
Directly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that only.
Yeah, 9n plus, then it's 40, 20, 180.
9n plus 9 into
180.
360. 360 by 2, 180.
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct only. 9n plus 180. But the average.
We take 9 common, no, sir. Then we get 10
Of
plus.
course, the average means this is sum of observations.
Yes, sir.
This is just sum of observations. To get average, divided by 9. This is equal n plus 20. Same. Got it? The average,
Yes, sir.
yeah. The average means divide by the sum with the number of observations.
Observations.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's very interesting question. Seems to be easy, but
Let A and B be number such that A cube equals B square. Which of the following is equal to B root A? So what type of question is this? Okay, let A and B be numbers such that A cube equals B square. So A equals
first of all, our thought process must be like this. All the 5 options have B term only. Right?
yes, sir.
That
Yes,
means
sir.
we need to eliminate, we need to plug in A value.
Yes, sir.
We need to plug in A value. That's why,
Yes.
yeah,
A equals
that's why,
3 cube.
yeah, that's why from the given statement, A cube is equal to B square. Find the value of A. A is equal B to the power of 2 over 3.
Yes, sir.
Agree?
Yes, sir.
Power will be in the denominator of its fraction. See, if A power x is equal to B to the power of y, then A is equal B to the power of y over x.
Yes.
A is equal to B to the power of y over x. But that's why A cube is equal to B square, then A is equal to B to the power of 2 over 3.
Yes.
Now, what is asked? B into root A is asked.
Yes.
B into root A. B means B. Root A means A power 2 by 3.
Yes.
Root is there, you know. Root means power of. Root means power of. For example, root x means if we have root x, it means x power 1 by 2.
Yes.
So root A means A power 1 by 2. But the value of A is B to the power of 2 over 3.
Good.
Now,
B into A to the power 2 by 6. That's 1 over 3.
Okay, just wait. We need to, A means B power 2 by 3. A means B power 2 by 3. Let me write it.
Yes. 3 times B to the power 1 over.
B root A. B into
equals
root A means A power 1 by 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
B into A means B power 2
B
over
2 over 3.
B power 2 over 3 whole power 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Now 2 to cancels.
Yes.
B times B power 1 by 3. Its value? Add the powers.
Yes, sir. B
power 1 plus 1 by 3.
B 4 by 3.
Yes, 4 by 3. Option?
Option B, sir.
Right. That's why I postponed the next class and the next class also.
Yes, sir.
later, that means morning time up in the 8, 9, 10 also like that. And I need to start a new class from today, maybe at 8:30 or 7:30. Morning, evening.
Evening.
And some other students asked from Hyderabad. Some school is there, Sangamitra.
Oh yes,
Sangamitra
Sangamitra.
students contacted to conduct class for their students. I'm thinking about it. If x plus 1 whole square is equal to 4 and x minus 1 whole square is equal to 16, what is the value of x? I think that God has given only 24 hours per day. How good it will be if God
This is 40 hours.
Yeah, I need more hours per a day. Yeah. X plus 1 whole square is equal to 4 and x minus 1 whole square is equal to 16. What's the value of x?
X square plus 2x plus 1 equals
X plus 1 whole square is equal to 4.
So I have two different ideas. Sir. One use a plus b whole square, or one directly solve it.
Yes. That what is the second idea?
So directly solve it, take the root to the right side. Sorry, yeah. From left hand to right side, so it will be x plus 1 equals 2.
Yes. You are right. But okay,
Equals
go
1.
ahead. X plus 1 is equal to 2.
Plus 1 equals plus or minus 2.
Yes. First, let us take positive first.
Yes, sir.
X
Then
minus
x equals
4.
yes.
Adding.
So we'll directly get no, sir. X equals 1 and x equals 5.
Oh, right. You know, 1 is there, 5 is also there.
Yes, sir, but we have to satisfy, no, sir. We have to see if it will satisfy the equation, I guess.
Wait. See, if you take it, x is equal to 1. If you take it, x is equal to 5. If we
Yes,
add them, 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4. Right? And expand x plus 1 whole square. X square
yes,
plus 2x plus 1
equals 4.
x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 16.
Yes, sir.
Now subtract them. When you subtract x square
Cancel 4x minus
1 cancel is equal to minus 12.
X equals negative 3, sir.
Negative 3.
Oh, it will be the negative of the thing that I told you, sir. X minus 1 equals 2. Sorry, x plus 1 equals negative 2.
X plus 1 is equal to
negative 2.
Right. But x plus 1 is equal to negative 2, correct only. Then negative 2 whole square is there. Is equal to 4.
Yes, sir.
And this negative 3 satisfies this equation also. Negative 3, negative 1 whole square.
4 whole square equals 16.
16. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this satisfies both equations.
So even 2 and 4, sorry, x equals 1 and x equals 5 will also satisfy. No,
you know, x equal 1 satisfies this equation only, not this equation. Check. If you take x equal to 1, it will be 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 whole square is equal to 4, right?
Yes, sir.
But is it satisfying the second equation also?
1
minus
minus
1, 0.
No, sir.
That's why it is eliminated. It is ruled out. If you take x equal to 5, it satisfies the second equation only, not the first equation. Because these results are obtained out of the individual statements, individual equations.
Oh, yes, sir. I got it.
Right.
But
what about this? While taking this equation, one negative value is missed. Of course, x is equal to 4 also obtained by combining two given two statements.
Yes, sir.
Then x is equal to 4 is not correct. Why? Because we took only plus. We may take minus also. That
Yes,
means
sir.
x plus 1 is equal to negative 2. X minus 1 is equal to negative 4. What
Yes.
happens when we add? 2x is equal to negative 6. X is equal to minus 3. So
Yes.
our conclusion is x equal to minus 3 is correct and x equal to 4 is also correct.
Yes, sir.
X is equal to 4 not given in the options. X is equal to minus 3 is final.
Yes.
So option A is correct.
Yes.
Yeah, this must be our thought process to finalize an option.
Yes.
See, it's very interesting question. There must be a question from this model in every SAT question paper, in every SAT exam.
Yes.
The curve y is equal to x square by 2 and the line y is equal to x by 2 intersect at the origin and at the point a comma b as shown in the figure above. What is the value of b? That means a curve and a straight line intersect at two points. One point is origin.
Yes, sir.
One point is origin. Another point is a comma b.
Yes.
So in this point, y coordinate only asked. What's the value of b? That means y coordinate is only asked, not x coordinate.
Yes.
See, first we have to solve these two equations. The given equations are y is equal to x square over 2 and y is equal to x by 2.
Yes, sir.
Both are y. These two left sides are equal, so right sides are also equal.
Yes.
When we equate right sides, x square by 2 is equal to x by 2. You may cancel 2 on both sides,
Yes, sir.
but don't cancel square and x on both sides. Where it
Yes.
can't be cancelled like this.
Yes.
If we do so, we miss some solutions, some results. X square minus x is equal to 0.
Yes.
Now take x common. X times x minus 1 is equal to 0. That
X
means
minus
either x is equal to 0 or x minus
x
1 is
equal
equal to 0.
1.
X is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
X is equal to 0 means it is 0, 0. We know. But it is not asked. X is equal to 0 means origin. It's related to origin. The x coordinate
Yes.
of origin is 0, right? But we
Yes.
want this. But we don't need this.
Yes.
We need x is equal to 1 only, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Use x is equal to 1 to get the value of y. You can, it is your choice to use any of these two equations to get the value of y.
So 1 by 2 y, sir.
Yeah. If you use any equation, we get only 1 by 2. First
Yes.
equation and second equation. So the coordinates of the second point are this point are x is 1 and y is 1 by 2. What is asked? X coordinate is asked or y coordinate is asked?
Y coordinates.
Option?
Option C, sir.
Very good. Option C, 1 by 2. Do you have any idea? Area of this
Sir,
triangle is asked.
sir, we can use the
You know, Heron's formula is there.
S is
Heron's
root.
formula, Heron's formula is the most popular formula. The area of a triangle. To find the area of the triangle, Heron's formula is the most popular. but we don't know the third side. If you know the if we know the third side, we can use Heron's formula. See, there is a special formula in trigonometry to find the area of a triangle when two sides and included angle is given. Two sides and included angle is given. First of all, let me explain you the concept of properties of triangle. It is a chapter in, it is a part of trigonometry. ABC. ABC. This is, sorry, it is A. It is B. Side opposite to angle A, that is BC, right?
Yes, sir.
Side BC is the side opposite to angle A. It is denoted by small a.
Yes, sir.
Side AC is opposite to the angle B.
So it's denoted by small b.
Small b, right? It is small c.
Yes, sir.
Now included angle B is given 60 degrees. Now there are three different formulas to find the area of triangle. Area of triangle is delta. See,
Yes.
of AB sin C. It is one formula.
Yes, sir.
Next, of BC sin A. Observe the pattern. A, B, C is there. B, C, A is there.
Half AC sin b.
Yeah, very good. Of AC sin B. Which formula is suitable here? What is given? A is given 8. C is given
Half.
6.
Half AC sin b.
Very good. B also given 60 degrees, right? So half CA 6 times 8 times sin 60 degrees.
Wow. Sin root 3 over 2.
That's good. 2 goes 3 times.
Yes, sir.
3 times 8 times root 3 over 2. 2 goes 4 times. 3 4s are 12. Root 3.
12 root 3.
Square units.
Yes, sir.
When it is volume, cubic units.
Yes.
Square units, right? Option?
Option B.
Remember these formulae. Note down this
Yes.
formulae.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. The angle of elevation of the top of a flagstaff when observed from a point, a distance 60 meters from its foot is 30 degrees, the length of the flagstaff in meters. That means it is ground.
Yes, sir.
See, it is ground.
Yes.
The angle of elevation of the top of a flagstaff. It is a flagstaff. Okay. The angle of elevation of the top of it is the top of the flagstaff.
Yes.
From a
So
point.
the angle at flag is 30 degrees, sir?
Yes, yes. That means from a point on the ground, top of the flagstaff is seen.
Yes, sir.
The angle of elevation is 30 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Distance 60 meters from its foot. It is foot. From its foot, the point of observation is 60 meters.
Yes.
This is perpendicular. What is asked? The height of the flagstaff is asked. This is asked.
Yes, sir.
Let this be H. Right? H
Yes.
opposite side, 60 is adjacent side. You know tan ratio of the tangent? Tan means which side by which side?
30 degrees, sir?
Of course. tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side.
Yes, sir. Oh, h by 60, sir.
Yeah, tan 30 degrees is equal to h by 60.
Yes, sir.
Value of tan 30 degrees, do you remember?
No, sir.
Tan means opposite side by, sorry, tan, I'm writing all the values of tan.
30 sine 30 degrees is.
No, not sine, these are tan, different. See,
Yes, sir. 1 out.
sine 30 degrees is it? Sine,
Sir, 1?
no,
1
tan
out
0 degrees
3.
is equal to 0. Tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by
1
root
out 3. Yeah.
tan 45 degrees.
1.
Tan 60 degrees. Root 3. Tan 90 degrees.
Undefined.
Undefined. Right. So here we need tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 over 3, 1 over root 3.
Yes.
Is 1 over root 3. Do cross multiplication. When we do cross multiplication, h is multiplied to root 3.
H root 3 equals 60.
H is multiplied to 1.
H root 3 equals 60.
Yeah, root 3 h is equal to 60. Then h is equal to 60 over root 3.
Over root 3.
Multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. Root 3 over root 3.
60 root 3
Root
by 3
root 3.
by 3.
Very good. 3
That's
goes
30, 20. 20 root
20 root 3 units.
squares.
No,
Square.
not square. Square is used.
Oh, sorry, meters, sir.
Just meters. Answer is
Option 1.
yes, you can do it. In the figure above, two line segments in the xy plane from a right angle form a right angle. Yeah, right triangle. Right triangle. Yeah, it is a new word, I think. Actually, it is called right angled triangle.
Oh, is it, sir?
Yeah, they use a different right triangle. Right triangle means having one angle, right angle.
Yes, sir.
What's the value of a? X coordinate is asked.
So y coordinate is asked.
Sorry. Y coordinate is asked, right? See, clear this distance is 10 units.
Yes, sir. So that is 10 and the side one is
See. There is a concept of lines are perpendicular.
the product is -1.
Yes. Product of slopes.
Yes, sir.
Lines are perpendicular. If and only if. That means this statement is correct in two ways. Product of slopes is equal to -1. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now let it be. This is A, this is B. Let the slope
Yes.
of 2B. It is 0, 0.
Yes.
Slope formula, you know?
Yes, sir. Y2 minus y1 by x2.
Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That means slope of OB times slope of AB. Is equal to -1. Then slope
Yes,
of Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1 means A minus 0
minus
2 minus 0.
minus 0 times
AB means AB. A minus 0 and 2 minus 10
Yes.
is equal to negative 1. Now A minus 0 is nothing but A and A minus 0 is equal to A. By denominator is 2 times negative 8
Yes.
is equal to
2
negative
A negative 1. Yes, sir.
A square is equal to negative 16 into
Well,
negative 1
see.
plus 16
A equals 4, sir.
plus or minus 4, right? Actually,
Yes.
if A is equal to positive 4, it belongs to first quadrant.
Yes, sir.
A is y coordinate, right? Then
Yes.
if A is positive 4, it belongs, this point belongs to first quadrant. If A is negative 4, okay,
Yes.
negative 4, it belongs to second quadrant.
Yes.
Second quadrant. But in the diagram, it shows or it says point B lies in first quadrant only. In first quadrant, X is positive and Y is positive.
Yes.
That's why we choose only positive 4 only.
Yes.
The diagram is like this. We choose the second value, right?
Value. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that required point is not in the second quadrant.
Yes. Sir.
Option?
Option 2, sir. Option
Yes,
B.
option B.
Oh, minus 23 400.
The perimeter of a particular equilateral triangle is numerically equal to the area of a triangle. Numerical equal means actually area cannot be compared to length. Area units of area are square units. Length is measured by units.
Yes.
Those cannot be compared,
Yes.
even though its numerical values can be compared. The perimeter of a particular equilateral triangle is numerically equal to the area of triangle. What is the perimeter of the triangle? See, it is an equilateral triangle. It is given that it is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means having all the three sides are same. Let the length of the measure of its side be A units. A units,
Yes.
A units, A units, right?
Yes, sir.
Its perimeter is 3A.
3.
Its perimeter is given as equal to area, root area formula, you know, do you remember area of equilateral triangle?
Root 3 over 4 A square.
Root 3 over 4 A square, right? You know, 3 can be written as root 3 times root 3.
Yes, sir.
3 means root 3 times root 3. And 1 root 3 is cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Do cross multiplication. 4 root 3A.
Equals A square.
A square, right? A square means A times A.
Yes.
I told you not to cancel variable on both sides, right?
Yes.
But we can cancel A on both sides because A is the length. The length is always positive.
Yes.
It cannot be negative and it cannot be 0.
Yes.
In that case, we can cancel variable also.
Yes.
Finally, we got A is equal to 4 root 3.
Yes, sir.
A means side. Length of side is 4 root 3. Then perimeter.
3 times 4 root 3.
Yeah.
12 root.
Yeah. 3 times 4 root 3.
12 root 3.
Is 12 root 3. Option?
Option D, sir.
Very good. Yeah. This is very difficult question. No measurement is given except
The area of the
area.
square.
Yeah, area only given. Area
Yes.
of square is given. What is area of the square?
36, sir.
Area formula side square. Area of the square formula side square, right?
Yes, sir.
Area is equal to side square.
Yes.
This is given as 36.
Yes.
So side is equal to how much?
Plus or minus 6.
Very good. But side is always positive.
Yes, sir. So 6.
So it is 6 units.
Yes.
Units, it is 6 units, right?
Yes.
It is center of the circle. We can find the diagonal of a square, which is the diameter of the circle.
Yes.
Diagonal of the square is diameter of the circle, right?
Yes.
And let it be x or d diameter. So it is d, right? Use Pythagoras theorem, side square plus side square into hypotenuse square.
Oh, 6 square plus 6 square equals
6 square plus 6 square is equal to d square.
d square.
6 square 36.
2, 1,
6 square 36.
7. Yes, sir.
D square. 70 is equal to d
72
square.
equals d square.
D
D equals
equal to
root 72.
72. Means root 36 into 6, 2. Root 36 into root 2. Root 36 is 6 root 2.
Yes.
So diameter is 6 root 2.
Yes.
Then radius is equal to half of diameter.
Root 2 by 2. That's 3 root 2.
Very good. Diameter 3 root 2. Okay. Now, if we connect these edges, since it is a square, it is right 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Since it is a square, angle between two diagonals is 90 degrees only. But,
Yes.
but not in case of rectangle. The angle between the diagonals of rectangle cannot be 90 degrees. Since it is square, yeah, in case of square and rhombus, angle between diagonals is 90 degrees. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let us find the area of sector. Area of sector. This is area of sector means this is 90 degrees. This shape is called sector.
Yes.
Find area of sector and from it subtract the area of triangle. So the required area is area of sector minus area of this triangle, right?
Yes, sir.
First of all, let's find the area of this triangle. You know, this is 3 root 2 and this is also 3 root 2.
Yes.
The angle between them is 90 degrees, right?
Yes.
So we can use half into base into height. Half into base into height, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Half into base is 3 root 2. Height is also 3 root 2. We can find the area of triangle. Half into base.
Sir, is the answer 9, sir?
Yes, 9 correct. Because root 2 times root 2 is 2 only. Root 2,
Yes.
root 2 cancel is equal to 9.
Yes.
So area of this triangle, white part is 9 units.
Yes, sir.
Now area of sector formula, x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square.
Yes, sir.
Into pi r square. X degrees,
Pi times root 3.
x degrees is nothing but the angle between
90 degrees, sir.
9 degrees. 90 by 360. 90 degrees by 360 degrees. Into pi r square. Pi is given separately.
Yes,
R
sir.
means 3 root 2. 3 root 2 times 3 root 2.
18, sir.
Yeah, it goes 4
That's
times.
140. Sorry, 4.
2 to 2. This 2 goes 2 times.
Yes, sir.
3 times 3 is 9.
9 by 2.
9 pi over 2. Is there, right?
Yes.
So total sector area is 9 pi by 2.
9 pi by 2 minus 9.
Very good. That's it.
Option E, sir.
Is it true that 5 options are given for each question?
No, sir.
Only 4.
Yes, sir.
But most of the sites in internet gives 5 options in SAT questions.
So maybe for digital SAT, this changed it, sir. I'm not sure.
Which
Because
SAT?
this year,
Which
digital SAT.
Digital SAT, yeah. You are appearing digital SAT or physical SAT?
So everything is changed to digital, so there's no option for us. We should
Okay.
take digital SAT.
Digital only, right? Okay.
Yeah.
It's done.
Yes, sir.
Replicate by making slides. by mistake, I make, I repeat this slide, this same question in making slides. Okay, it's over. It's over. These are related to pre-calculus derivatives. These are called derivatives.
Yes.
We need to start with the limits in pre-calculus. Starts with limits. We did these sums.
Yes, sir. We're done with all.
We're done with all this. Okay. See. You found any terms, words which are differ from Indian in mathematics, especially?
No, sir. I never found one.
Just like trapezium, trapezoid. And actually, in my study times, there was a, of course, in intermediate also there is a formula in calculus that is about trapezoidal rule. Trapezoidal rule. I was wonder at that time what is trapezoidal. Trapezium is the correct word. Then why they use trapezoidal rule? The name of that formula is trapezoidal rule.
Yes, sir.
SAT algebra for 1 1. The best SAT advice. What is this?
Oh,
It's also a book. I got it. I think it is useful. There is some books are very easy questions. I collected so many books from net. This is also one of the book. Pre-test.
Yes.
Somehow very, very, very easiest questions. All these questions were done by you in even 6th class or 7th class.
Yes.
There may be some countries which have this level of exams. Yeah, you can ask them directly by seeing practice. What is the answer for first question?
Sir, 0, sir. Sorry, 24.
Yes, correct. The second question. 6p is greater than or equal to 10.
And P is 6 by 10. 3 by 5, sir.
Very good. Third question.
X plus 10 equals 5. X equals negative. Negative.
Yes, correct only.
Yes, sir. Negative.
Fourth question.
K equals 64, sir.
K equals 64. Fifth question.
Which question, sir?
5. Minus 3,
Okay.
minus 3 and less than 12. Less than 12.
Oh, N is greater than 4, sir.
Yes, n is greater than 4, right? 9a plus 5 is equal to 9, negative 22. Then value of a.
Negative 22 plus 5 is negative 27. So is it negative 3?
Negative
3, sir.
Yeah, negative 20. Yes, negative 3 correct only. Seventh question.
7. Oh.
Negative
3x
x
minus
less than or equal to
4x
minus 14.
plus 8. 4x, so minus 1
Yeah.
equals 8 plus 6. 14. Sir, is it negative 4?
Negative 4. Negative 14?
Yes, sir. It's
sure? See how to use it. Is it pen or not? Oh, only highlighter, I think it is. It's not pen, I think. So I can't. We cannot write.
yes, sir. We can do it. 1 second. 3x minus 6 is
Only
greater than or equal to 4x plus 8.
3x
3x
minus
minus
6 less
4x
than
minus
4x plus 8.
1.
Yeah.
8 plus
Minus-
6 equals 14. X
Minus x
is
less than 14. X
less than
greater
or
than
equal to
14.
negative 14.
Option
X
1.
is
First
greater
option.
than or equal to negative.
Yeah, first option.
Yes, sir.
I think there is no use to go through this book because all are easy questions.
Yes, sir.
Name of this book is 411 SAT Algebra and Geometry.
Yes,
And,
sir.
I could see another book. That book title is I could find it in Amazon. That is 315 questions. 315 questions for SAT. I don't know why they use that word. The number of questions. The number of questions that book contains on the cover. Actually, yeah, 350 questions from SAT.
Yes, sir.
I think they couldn't find any suitable title to their book. That's why they used that title. 315 questions. What is the significance of 315? Yeah, but in India, IIT and JEE main questions there are they write more than 1,000 plus questions from questions for maths like that.
Yes.
If it is a big figure, it has significance. 1,000, I estimated the number of questions that a student needs to practice. If a student collects all the books in the market in India, nearly 1 lakh questions are there for
Yes.
objective exams. But
Yeah.
out of these 1 lakh questions, no question will be there in examination. Of course, maybe model, but same question cannot be in any objective exam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these are also, I think, very easy. For example, first question.
Yes.
We need not multiply them completely. Just one or two terms are enough to pick correct option.
Yes.
X plus 6 into x plus 9, that is x square minus 3x plus 54 minus 54 when multiplied by minus 3x cube minus 3x cube plus 9x square. No, sorry, plus 3x square minus 9 plus 3x square. Yeah, option B.
Yes.
We cannot find. I think it's no use going through the book is no use. Radical exponents. Let us see how the questions are. These are also easy questions. For example, what is first question answer? The square root of
32x square. 4.
32, 30, yeah. 30 means 16 times 2.
16 times 2.
So 4
So
root 2. And
so is it 4 root 2x?
4 root x. Yeah, there is a mistake in options. Root cannot
Yes.
be extended to x. It should be.
Yes, sir, because x will be cancelled.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, very good. So
sir, I think it's 4x root 2, sir.
yes. 4x root. Correct option. Very good. Right. Yeah. So we go with pre-calculus from the next class. Okay. I'll prepare some special questions.
Sir, no, I think from next class we can go with geometry sub because I don't have geometry. Yeah.
Geometry. Can we start with straight lines?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I will prepare customized questions.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I will prepare geometry straight. We start geometry straight lines. We go deep into
Yes,
the
sir.
subject because it is a very useful. And in all objective exams in India, India highest weightage is from geometry only.
Yes.
Right, right. Okay. Thank you, Tanika. See you tomorrow as usual.
Yes, sir.
Whenever we have holidays, then only we will have class at 5, around 5.
5. Yes.
5 okay, even 5:15 or 5:30 is also okay. Actually,
I'm okay.
okay, okay, right. Yeah, because on holidays, I can wake up at late.
Yes.
Okay, right. Thank you. Good
Thank you,
night,
sir.
Tanika. See you tomorrow.